Imagine a tool that can skyrocket your performance in the JAMB CBT exams, and it's right at your fingertips. Welcome to the future of exam preparation, brought to you by NGIT Software Solutions. Our JAMB CBT practice software is designed to mimic the real exam environment, so you can practice under the same conditions you'll encounter on the big day. It's like having a personal coach, guiding you through the questions, providing instant feedback, and sharpening your skills with each practice session. But that's not all. The software also comes with a performance tracker, giving you a clear picture of your strengths and areas for improvement. With NGIT Software Solutions, you're not just practicing, you're mastering the course. So why wait? Embrace the future of learning with NGIT Software Solutions today. Elevate your exam performance and secure your future. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Start your journey with us today. This is the future of exam preparation. This is NGIT Software Solutions.